If you are looking for an affordable, full bob wig, then this wig is for you. Keep watching to see me install it. Alright, so they just left me a note saying that they updated the lace without increasing the price. But y'all, we gotta get into the extras that they sent with the wig. A cute chain, 2 wig caps, and 3 beauty blenders. Like, they really showing out, and I love it. Alright, y'all, so now let's get into the install. Am I the only one who shaves off my window speak before I install a wig? If you don't do this, that's fine. It's just something that I like to do. Now I'm putting my baby hairs back because we don't want that to be snatched out. And I'm using this kiss glue that clearly doesn't have much in it, but I'm still going to use it anyways. And I'm making sure I get the glue flat so it don't take forever to dry. Here I'm just adding makeup to the lace in my wig cap to make sure the lace doesn't come out white at the end. So I love using a wax stick, but it can definitely go wrong if you use too much like how I did. It gave off this greasy look, and if you don't like this greasy look all the way to the ends, then I wouldn't recommend using too much of the wax stick. I'm also spraying my edges with the Ebin spray, and if you're gonna do that, make sure you comb it out because it's gonna make the hair crunchy. I did this video really late, so I was just rushing the process. I put a wig band on and blow dried my edges. And while that was still drying, I started plucking. Like I said in the beginning, this is a very thick wig. Thick wigs are good because I feel like they last longer. And you can also pluck the wig how you want it plucked. Now I'm going in with the spray to make sure I get the parts that didn't completely lay flat. Y'all, I really did not know what style I wanted to do with this wig. I tried like half up, half down, and then I ended up flipping the ends of the wig. Y'all, I still don't know to this day what style looks the best. Let me know in the comments what style was the cutest with this wig. I really feel like 12-inch bobs are the perfect length because it's not too short, it's not too long, like it's literally perfect. But this is the end of the video. Let me know how you like this hair and don't forget to subscribe.